Siargao, the east side. Second place.
Sa'yo! Sinong kakarga sa'yo? Natupad na nga ang pangarap ni Andy Eigenman na mag-champion si Philmar sa surfing competition, kung saan sabay silang lumahok. Ang lucky charm nga ni Philmar ang kanyang buong family na complete sumama sa kanya sa La Union at pinanood siya. Si Ellie naman napaka-pretty na pumosi ngayon, dalaga na talaga.
Let's hear it for our 2024 newly single open and unattached champion, Alex Siargao, the east side of the Philippines.
First champion!
Takes the win. Reina.
Woo!
Second place.
Woo! Sino magkakarga sa'yo? Sinong kakarga sa'yo? Champion! Aray.
65 days to go till
Sige, lakad lang kayo.
single and unattached next year, so I hope you all.
Grabe nga ang tuwa ni Andy nang pabalik na si Philmar at sinalubong ng isang masayang pagtakbo at pagyaka. Gustong-gusto ngang ma-witness ni Andy na mag-champion si Philmar. Ang isa pang nakakatuwa sa longboard nag-champion. Madalas nga kasi sa shortboard kung lumaban si Philmar, nandito lang pala ang swerte niya.
I heard you were a shortboarder. What the hell are you doing here?
Luckily, my legs united fully today. So happy to be released.
And also kicking ass on a longboard. Were you having fun out there?
Natawa rin ang lahat sa pag-interview sa kanya nang mag-champion siya. Ang galing nga ng pinakita ni Philmar sa longboard. Proud si Andy at sakto ring nakanood live si Stevie, isa pang lucky charm. Nag-celebrate naman sila sa isang restaurant na samyupsal bago magpunta sa Manila. Tinreat nila ng meal si Stevie na talagang dumayo pa ng La Union para mapanood si Andy at Philmar.
And our
You're in the
presentation will
cage.
be coming up in a few days.
You're so strong. Show your muscles. Yes.
Leo at Kowa panay enjoy lang sa La Union. Naglaro nga sa beach at nakatikim ng taho dito. Napakasaya talaga kapag surfers ang mga magulang. Palaging nakakapag-tour sa beach.
How about all the action? Everybody's surfing super.
Si Andy hindi naman nga nagwagi sa paglahok niya, pero proud at nag-champion ang kanyang asawa. Nahulog nga kasi siya habang nagsisurfing. Okay lang dahil first time naman niya ito.
Your shortboarding skills. What's your regular size shortboard on a day-to-day basis? And you know the size of the longboard today? Well, you went one better than Memory Ford. One better than what he did in his division. Fantastic surfing now. You're going to be seeing more longboarding from you in the future, perhaps.
I love it. And enjoying the longboarding and of course, my wife is longboarding, so I welcome you.
All right, White, your last score drop. What do we have to do?
Flights and getting ready to attend the event.
And rebooking your accommodation. A big thank you to Vans and Vessel, co-presenting.
Kuya, sabi mo.
Green, you have
Hindi siya natumba.
5.1 to advance to first place.
Currently in priority, we have green first priority, second priority yellow,
Busy
third
ka mo.
priority white, fourth priority red.